How to clean poop off a memory foam mattress. If you're a caretaker, parent, or pet owner, you've probably run into the occasional mess on a memory foam mattress. If you're concerned that it has to be thrown out, don't worry, all you need to fix it are some common household supplies and simple tricks. We'll teach you how to salvage your memory foam mattress and clean poop off of it with some key techniques and bed hygiene so it'll look as good as new. Cleaning a memory foam mattress involves both spot treatment and regular maintenance to keep it in top shape and extend its lifespan. It's an easy process, but the mattress needs to dry thoroughly so it doesn't develop mildew, bacteria, and odors. Learn more about how to clean a memory foam mattress to keep your investment comfortable and fresh. Welcome to Best Choices. How to clean poop off a memory foam mattress. Number 1. Discard excess waste ASAP. Make the cleanup process easier by removing all the waste. Put on rubber gloves. To avoid any contact with the poop and to prevent exposure to bacteria, place your gloved hands in a plastic bag. Pick up all bio-waste, including diarrhea, and throw it in a garbage bag. Tie up the garbage bag and toss it in an outdoor garbage can. Memory foam mattresses aren't waterproof, so it's important to remove poop and diarrhea right away before the memory foam absorbs it. Number 2. Pre-treat stains on your bedding. Before you launder it, apply a stain-fighting solution. Remove the stained bedding before you wash it. Spritz the stains with a stain remover that comes in a spray bottle, like OxiClean Max 4 spray. Wait 5 minutes so the solution can soak into the stains. OxiClean is color-safe and can be used to remove stains on dyed bedding. Number 3. Disinfect all your bedding. Wash the bedding with hot water to kill bacteria. Throw the pre-treated laundry into the washing machine. Add bleach. Use color-safe bleach if you have dyed bedding. Choose the highest setting for the water temperature, and run your load of laundry on the cycle that's most appropriate for the color of your bedding. Hot water will disinfect your bedding and even get rid of dust mites. Number 4. Spray the memory foam mattress with enzyme cleaner. Break down the molecules in poop stains with enzyme cleaner. Use an enzyme cleaner that's specially formulated to tackle stains and odors from bio-waste. An enzyme laundry detergent like OxiClean will work, as well as an enzyme cleaner designed for stains from pets. Spray or sprinkle it on to coat the stains. An enzyme cleaner destroys molecules from poop stains on the surface of your memory foam mattress. If your memory foam mattress absorbs any poop, an enzyme cleaner will also break down those molecules. Enzyme cleaner is usually in spray bottles as well as jars or boxes of powder. Make your own enzyme cleaner with sugar, yeast, water, and fresh citrus peel. Products like OxiClean dilute stains and can even dye a white mattress so it looks new again. Number 5. Let the enzyme cleaner set into the stains. Wait around 5 minutes so the enzyme cleaner can penetrate the stains. Once you see the poop stains begin to bubble or lift up, you can grab a paper towel and move on to the next step. Ammonia and hydrogen peroxide are also stain lifters that are safe to use. Number 6. Blot the poop stains. Act quickly and dab stains with a paper towel to remove them. Take out a clean paper towel or cloth. While you apply a light pressure, blot the stains. Make sure to start from the outside of the stain and blot down toward the center, that way, you won't spread the stain. Cloth rags and microfiber cloths are eco-friendly alternatives to paper towels. Keep a color-coded collection to avoid cross-contamination. For example, use green cloths to clean up bio-waste. Launder reusable rags as separate, color-coded loads in your washing machine. You can also hand wash them. Kill bacteria and germs by using hot water and detergent. Number 7. Reapply the enzyme cleaner as necessary. Repeat the stain-removing process to eliminate any residue. If you still notice some discoloration on your mattress, then give your mattress another cleaning treatment. Coat the poop stains with enzyme cleaner, wait for them to bubble or lift up, then blot them with a paper towel or rag. Number 8. Rub white vinegar into the previously stained areas. Apply a natural solution of white vinegar to remove any odors. Even if you've removed all the stains, there might still be unwanted smells on your mattress. To neutralize and get rid of them, dampen a clean cloth with white vinegar. Use it to blot the affected areas that previously had stains. If you'd like to use a spray bottle instead, mix 1/4 cup 59 milliliters of vinegar with 3/4 cup 177 milliliters of water and spritz the solution onto the affected areas. To not only deodorize your mattress but also add a pleasant scent, add a couple drops of essential oil to your white vinegar solution. White vinegar removes harsh scents because it binds with odor compounds and traps them so they don't travel in the air. Number 9. Blot the white vinegar after 5 to 7 minutes. Wait for the vinegar solution to fully deodorize your mattress. Remove excess moisture to prevent any mildew or mold. Take out a clean cloth and blot the areas you covered with white vinegar. Retrieve another fresh cloth and dampen it with plain water. Use it to dab all the spots on the mattress that you treated. Number 10. Remove any lingering odors with baking soda. Apply baking soda to any spots that still smell bad. Pour baking soda through a sifter and distribute the baking soda evenly across the mattress. Let the baking soda sit for 3 to 24 hours. Then, vacuum it all up. Wait 3 hours for minimal scents and up to 24 hours for stronger odors. Number 11. Air dry your mattress for up to 24 hours. Use air and direct sunlight to restore and disinfect your mattress. Take the mattress outside so it can receive plenty of sunlight while it dries. If this isn't an option, then open the windows in your room, plug in some fans, direct them at your mattress, and turn them on. Let the air circulate in your room until the mattress fully dries. Wait up to 24 hours for either method. UV rays from the sun act as a natural disinfectant. If you can't put the mattress outside, place it near windows that receive a lot of sunlight. Number 12. Prevent future stains with a mattress cover. Maintain the quality of your mattress with a protective topper. Whether messes are a recurring issue or you just want to avoid cleanup in the future, invest in a mattress cover. Once you put it on your mattress, the cover will act as a protective barrier so poop and diarrhea won't stain your mattress. Mattress covers are designed to be comfortable to sleep on and are machine washable. Wash your mattress cover regularly to treat stains, remove irritants like pollen and dust, and keep your bed looking fresh. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Tips. 1. Using a mattress cover or protector over your mattress not only protects it from dust mites, dirt, hair, and bacteria, but it can also help guard against stains that might soak in and ruin the mattress. 2. Spot treat blood stains by preparing a paste of 1 part baking soda and 2 parts water, blotting the paste on the stain, letting it sit for 30 minutes, and then wiping away the paste with a damp towel. 3. Spot treat sweat stains with a mixture of 3 tablespoons of baking soda, 1 cup of hydrogen peroxide, and a drop of mild dish soap. Let the mixture sit for 10 minutes, and then blot it away. 4. You can spot treat urine stains with vinegar and baking soda. Blot the urine right away if fresh. Then, spray the stain with vinegar, and let it sit for 10 minutes. Blot away the vinegar, and then apply baking soda to the area. Let the baking soda sit for up to 12 hours, and then vacuum it away. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.